The Samsung Galaxy A25 5G has been in talks since June. Back then, rendering gave us a glimpse of its design, dimension, and accessible 6.44 inches display. And now, new information has surfaced on Geekbench, shedding light on its chips and memory. Geekbench recently released a device with the model number SMA25 6B, believed to be the global version of the Galaxy A25 5G. According to the listen, this smartphone will be powered by Exynos 1280 so by 8 GB of RAM running on Android 14. It is important to know that Exynos 1280 is not the new chip. It was actually announced over a year ago and has already been used in other Samsung phones. The Galaxy A25 5G is phone will support Exynos 1280 chips and 8 GB of RAM. Camera department will likely appreciate it is impressive setup. It features a 50 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel micro lens. Additionally, user can expect a large 6.44 inch display for impressive view and a generous 5 mAh battery with a 20-watt fast charging capability. With its powerful hardware capable camera system and a connectivity option, the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G is shipping up to a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. As more details surface and its official launch are near, consumer attack allocated will be aggravating and we need to get their hands on this promising device and put it to test in a real-world scenarios. Samsung dedication to deliver quality and innovation in their Galaxy A series continue to make waves, and the Galaxy A25 5G appear to be no exception to this trend.